everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are about to make meat stock, and we've got actually bone stock, and we've got our bone marrow here. And with this meat stock, all what we need is just some black pepper and then salt. I like to use the pink salt because that is what we use. So we've got our big saucepan because we'll be adding a lot of water into it. We've already washed our bones very thoroughly in water, running water. So you try to clean it properly as you wish. So what we do is we just add our bones into our saucepan, which we've already washed and cleaned, ready to use. So we add our bones into the saucepan, and then what we do is add some water to it. But in this case, I'm going to add as much as I want water into it. So we added like 8 cups of water into our bones. So all what you just have to do is make sure that your water is enough to cover up all your bones, because we need a lot of stock and it will be boiling for a long time as well. So now we are going to add our black pepper to it. You just add as much as you want to give it some flavor, and then some salt to taste, as much as salt you want, just to how you will like it to taste. So now what we are going to do is we're going to close it and bring it to a boil. So when it starts boiling, what we are going to do is we are going to reduce it to 4 and let it simmer for like 2 hours. And we will be showing you what our stock look like when it's all cooked. So this is what we've got finally for our stock. So what we are going to do now is we are just going to drain it so that we make sure that all the bones, maybe small bones or anything, doesn't go into our stock, because our stock is going to be used for different purposes. So we are currently draining and leaving the bones. So this is what we've got out of the stock. So we've got our stock here. So we are going to leave a comment below about what you can use this stock for. Sometimes my son do drink this stock with poached egg or fresh egg for healing his gouts and all other stuff. So we're gonna leave a comment below for some of the things you can use this stock for. I sometimes use it to do my soups, cook, actually use anything. Use it for anything I want to cook, instead of using all these artificial meat stocks that are in the shops. So thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment below and let us see what you think about what we are doing, or if you need any further explanation about how to do this stock or what to use it for. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.